How to connect Logitech G535 to phone. I'm going to tell you how to connect your Logitech G535 headset to your phone. But heads up, it's a bit tricky since it's not Bluetooth enabled. The G535 is a wireless headset that uses a USB Type A dongle for connection, which works great for PCs and consoles, but not directly to most phones. If your phone supports USB OTG, you can try using a USB OTG adapter, Type C to USB A for Android, or Lightning USB adapter for iPhones. Plug the G535's dongle into the adapter, then connect it to your phone. Give it a few seconds. If compatible, your phone should recognize the headset as an external audio device. Not all mobile games or apps will support it, and some phones might not detect it, all due to power or software limitations. Unfortunately, there's no native Bluetooth on the G535, so if this method doesn't work, the only real option is using a different headset designed for mobile.